Welcome to History Unfold, where we explore the wonders of our universe. Today, we're taking a closer look at Saturn, one of the most stunning and mysterious planets in our solar system. So sit back and get ready for an interstellar journey to the ring giant. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. Its most distinctive feature? You guessed it, those magnificent rings. Saturn is classified as a gas giant, meaning it's composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, similar to the Sun. It's huge. In fact, if Earth were the size of a nickel, Saturn would be roughly the size of a volleyball. But what really sets Saturn apart from other planets is its unique and complex ring system. Saturn's rings are made of countless icy particles, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to chunks as large as mountains. These rings are not solid, but are held together by Saturn's gravity. There are 7 main rings, labeled A through G, each containing smaller ringlets and gaps. The most famous gap is the Cassini division, a dark region between the A and B rings. But did you know that Saturn's rings aren't unique? Other gas giants like Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have rings, though none as spectacular as Saturn's. Saturn's atmosphere is as fascinating as its rings. Like Jupiter, Saturn is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, but it also has trace amounts of other gases like methane and ammonia. Its upper atmosphere is divided into bands of clouds, creating beautiful stripes across the planet. Winds on Saturn can reach speeds of over 1,100 miles per hour. That's more than twice as fast as the most powerful hurricanes on Earth. And have you ever heard of Saturn's hexagon? At its north pole, there's a strange six-sided jet stream, a massive storm that's been swirling for decades. Scientists are still trying to fully understand why Saturn's weather systems behave the way they do. Saturn isn't alone out there. It's home to over 146 moons, each with its own story to tell. Let's talk about a few of the most interesting ones. First up, Titan. Titan is Saturn's largest moon and the second largest moon in the solar system. It's the only moon known to have a thick atmosphere, and its surface is covered in lakes and rivers, not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane. Beneath that thick atmosphere could lie a subsurface ocean of water, making Titan a key target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Then there's Enceladus, a small icy moon with a big secret. Enceladus has geysers that shoot water vapor and ice particles into space from its south pole. This suggests that it has a global ocean beneath its icy surface, and where there's water, there could be life. Saturn has fascinated humanity for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations observed it as one of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye. In Roman mythology, Saturn was the god of agriculture and wealth, giving the planet its name. Fast forward to modern times, and Saturn became the target of some of the most exciting space missions. NASA's Cassini spacecraft spent over 13 years exploring Saturn and its moons, sending back stunning images and invaluable data. The Cassini mission taught us more about this planet than we could have ever imagined. Before we wrap up, here are some quick fun facts about Saturn. 1. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. That's because its density is lower than water. 2. Saturn takes nearly 30 Earth years to orbit the Sun, meaning a single year on Saturn is 30 Earth years. 3. Saturn's rings are only about 30 feet thick in most places, even though they stretch over 175,000 miles wide. Looking ahead, there's still so much we don't know about Saturn and its moons. Scientists are particularly interested in exploring Titan further. NASA's upcoming Dragonfly mission is set to launch in the mid-2020s, sending a drone-like lander to Titan to explore its surface. As for Saturn's other moons, like Enceladus, we're just scratching the surface of what we might discover. The search for life beyond Earth could very well lead us back to this fascinating planet. Saturn is one of the most fascinating worlds in our solar system, from its stunning rings to its mysterious moons. Whether you're an astronomer, a science enthusiast, or just someone who loves looking up at the night sky, Saturn never fails to amaze. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the ring giant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more space exploration content. See you next time as we continue to explore the wonders of our universe.